Hi guys, from this video tutorial, we have started creating visitor management in Laravel Framework. This is our first project, which we have built in the Laravel Framework. There are many projects we have already built, using PHP script. So there are many viewer has requested us to build any project in the Laravel Framework. So here, we have started creating simple visitor management system project in the Laravel Framework. Under this visitor management system, we can manage visitor records to whom daily visits in your company, office, industrial area, or even in your premises. Then for manage visitors records, we can use this visitor management system. This is first video on Laravel Visitor Management System, and under this video, we will show you demo of this system. And from next part, we will start to build this visitor management system from scratch in the Laravel Framework. Now let's start to show you this visitors management system. So in this system, there are mainly two users. One will be admin, and another user will be multiple sub-user of this system. So this system will be a multi-user system. So first we want to set up admin account. So here we can see registration form. So here we have to enter admin details for set up admin account. After fill details, we have to click on submit button. And after click on submit button, here our admin account has been created. Now admin can log in into system. So this is login page of this visitors management system. So here, we have to enter admin login details, like email address and password. And after fill login details, we have to click on the login button. So here we can see this visitor management system dashboard page. And here we can see whole system analytics data like total number of today visitor, total number of yesterday visitor, total visitors of last 7 days, and total visitor till date. So this analytics data, which we can see on this dashboard page, at the admin side. And here at admin side, we can see 6 modules like dashboard, user management, department, visitors management, profile management. So here, we have already seen dashboard management module. And it has been mainly display analytics data of visitors. Now we have go to user management module. So here we have click on user link. So here in user area, admin can create new user, edit existing user details, and remove any sub-user from this system. Now let's first create new user. So we have click on this add button. So here we can see that add new user form has been loaded in the browser. So now we have fill username details, like name, email and password. And after fill all details, we have to click on the add button. After click on add button, then here on the web page, we can see newly added user data has been displayed in the data table with edit and delete button. After added new user, now we want to edit existing user data, so we have click on edit button. And after click on edit button, then here on web page, we can see edit form has been loaded with fill user details. Here password fill is blank. This is because here we have stored password in hash format. So when we have fill password details in the edit form, then only it will change user password details. Now we want to change username details. So here we have change username details. And after this, click on the edit button, and after click on the edit button, here we can see that user data has been updated, which we can see under jQuery data table. In this module, admin can also able to delete or remove user data by click on this delete button. Now we have moved to department module. So for this, we have to click on the department link. And after click on the department, here we can see that department data like department name, department person data has been in the web page. This department module can be only accessed by admin only, and under this module, Admin can add new department, edit existing department data, and admin can remove department from this system. Now for add new department, first we have to click on this add button. So here we can see that add new department form has been loaded in the browser. So under this form, we can add one department with multiple contact person name at same time. So for add multiple contact person, we can add by click on this plus button. Same way, admin can edit department data by click on this edit button. And after click on this edit button, then edit form has been loaded in the browser. With department data, like name, and multiple contact person name. So here admin can edit department data, by click on this edit button. And same way, admin can delete or remove any unused department from this list of department. By click on the remove button, so this complete details of department module. Now we have go to visitor module, so here we can see visitor data on web page. So in this visitor module, admin can see all sub-user entered visitor data, on the single web page. Here admin can see all visitor data, which has been added by different sub-user, which can be accessed by admin at the same time. And here admin can also add new visitor data, admin can view single visitor complete data, and admin can edit or delete visitor data. Here admin can filter visitor data, based on this multiple filter, like today visitor, yesterday visitor, last 7-day visitor data, current month visitor day, and even admin can filter visitor data, by custom date filter also. So suppose, here we want to get today all visitor data, so by click on today filter. And it will load today visitor data, in the jQuery data table, without refresh of web page. And same way, we want to load yesterday visitor data, so here we have to select yesterday filter. And after select yesterday filter, it has load total yesterday visitor data, on the web page. So by this filter, admin can filter visitor data, on different type of filter, with custom date range filter also. After filter of data, here admin can also export complete visitor data in CSV file also. So for export visitor data in CSV file, we have click on this CSV button. And after click on button, here we can see that data has been exported in CSV file, which has been downloaded in our computer. So this is admin side visitor module. Next, we have go to profile module, and in this module, admin can change name, email and password details. Suppose admin want to change password, so here admin has to enter password details. And then after, admin has to click on save button, and admin password will be changed. So this is complete demo of Visitor Management System, at the admin side. Now in another browser, here we want to log in into any user login account. So here, we have to enter user login details, and click on the login button. So here, we have login as sub-user account, under this Visitor Management System, and here first we can see dashboard page. And here, we can see analytics of visitor data, which has been entered by this login user. And this user cannot see other user analytics data, so he can view only analytics of visitor number, which has been entered by him. Now we have go to visitor management area, and here we cannot see anything here. This is because, it is newly created user account. Now let's add visitor data, so we have click on add button. After click on add button, here add new visitor form, has been loaded in the browser. And here all fields are compulsory, so we have to fill all fields one by one. So in visitor name Adam Smith, in email we have enter adamsmith@gmail.com. Next, we have enter address details, and after this, we have select department, so here we have select purchase. And after this, we have to select contact person, and here contact person data has been depend on department field data. So if we have select other department, then that department contact person list will be loaded in this select box. And in reason to visit field, we have write for deliver some item, and after this we have click on the add button. And after click on the add button, here we can see newly add visitor data has been added, which we can see on the web page. Here in status column, we see that this newly added visitor status has been displayed in premises. That means this visitor is currently present in our premises or facility or office area, and he has not leave our area. Now we have go to dashboard page, then here we can see today visitor 1, yesterday visitor 0, last 7 day visitor 1. And total visitor till date 1, this is because this user has add only one visitor data. Now we have again go to visitor management, and suppose visitor has leave our premises, so we want to add outer remark regarding visitor. So we have click on view button, and here in outing remark field, we have enter outing remark details, and click on save button. After click on save button, here on the web page, we can see that visitor status has been changed to out. That means visitor has been leave our premises, or facilities or our offices. And in this visitor management system, user can edit or delete visitor data, before entering of outing remark. Next, under this system, user can also manage his or her profile details like name, email address and password details. Now we have go to admin area, and go to visitor management page, so here we can see visitor details, which has been entered by user, with their name, so admin can view all user visitor data. And lastly for logout from system, so by click on this logout link, admin or user can log out from this system. So friends, here we have show you complete visitor management system at admin side, or at user side functionality, which has been make this system to smart visitor management system, which can use at your office premises, your industrial premises, commercial area, in which visitor has been come, so by using this system, you can manage your visitor data at the same place, and you can access at any time. So this is complete demo of this Laravel based visitor management system, and from next part, we will start making this visitor management system from the scratch by using Laravel Framework with MySQL database Ajax and jQuery. Lastly, if you have any query or inputs regarding this system, then you can comment in under this video comment box. We will reply on your query or inputs, and thank you for watching this video.